Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is on the BRAVE X Propane Torch. So I made this purchase a few days ago because I needed to make some wood coal for my cinder block smoker, because we're going to smoke a pig pretty soon. So we have it up on the table right now. Show you I purchased this on Amazon. So let's open this up and look inside. Box in a box. And just to give you a little tour, so it seems very heavy duty. Comes with a very long hose. Not sure how long it is yet, but everything seems good quality here. The handle, nice rubber backing here. Now let's talk about some of the parts on our propane torch. And our propane torch comes with a 6.56 feet hose with a male adapter. Here's a better look of our handle. Also, here's our handle wheel, which is the valve, which has our plus and minus, so you can't go wrong. Our handle connection is brass. A really nice size igniter. Here's our safety lever. And our burner. Beautiful. Our maximum flame temperature is 3,500 Fahrenheit. Wow. The valve is also brass, which I like. And our hose working pressure is 350 psi. Also, our maximum flame length is 28 inches. Woo! Wow. We got ourselves here a flamethrower. And also, my understanding, our male connection here is the opposite of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And it also comes with this wrench. Okay, so let's make our connection. Now, it does come with a rubber washer here. So you might not need any type of Teflon, but still, my master plumber always said, if it has a thread, Teflon it. So, just so you know, this is not what you want to put. This is for water only. What you want is this yellow one here. If you read it carefully, yellow gas lines. So, you want to use this yellow tape. Move this, just pull. So typically you're used to tightening something on the outer threads of a propane tank, but for this we'll be tightening the opposite way, going left. Okay, so we're nice and tight there. Just always remember, you want to always start out hand first because you don't want to cross thread. And keep this rubber cover from your connector in a safe place. Don't lose it, so when you're not using your torch, you could put this back on to protect the threads. In the manual, it says start with everything off, so you want to make sure you're on the off position. Then what we're going to do is we're going to slowly crack the knob of the propane tank about 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds for the propane to fill your line. Then you want to slowly crack your adjustment valve here about 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn, and then you want to light your torch. So let's take everything outside and let's see if we could start a fire in our fire pit. Also, one thing I want to note, I am not a professional in this field. Anything you do, you'll be doing it at your own risk. This is for entertainment purpose only. With that being said, let's get back to the video. That is no joke. Wow, I started that almost instantly. That was crazy. How the power that has. So just trying to show you here. Woo! Now for the price, that was pretty amazing. I only paid 50 bucks for this, and I'm very impressed. And also, here's a tip. When you're done, make sure you close your valve. Once this valve is closed, then open this valve. Make sure you drain the propane that's still in your line, and then close the valve. You just want to be on the safe side. You don't want that an accident happens, something drops on it, the hose gets pinched or damaged in any way, and you have a propane leak. You don't want that. Well, there you have it. That's my video on the BRAVE X Propane Torch. I purchased this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, but I am Amazon affiliated. If you make a purchase through a link I provide at the bottom, I get a small kickback at absolutely no cost to you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll have more for you next time. Thank you for watching.